Ooh. I'm sure you've seen the viral latte makeup everywhere on YouTube and Instagram. I haven't seen many Indian creators try this out with Indian products, which are not very expensive. So I wanted to try this out, even though I really don't like coffees or lattes. But I'm kind of falling in love with filter coffees nowadays, so let's get started with sunscreen. I've been loving this sunscreen. It's one of the best sunscreens I've tried for dry skin, especially brown skin. It's got a cooling effect to it, which I really love because it's pretty hot here. Look at this. There's literally no white cast. It feels like it's not even there on my face. To build my base, I'm gonna start with color correcting. If all of my brown girlies would know that you can't have a perfect base without taking care of these hyperpigmented areas. I don't do much because I don't want to turn into an Oompa Loompa. I just add a few dots of the orange color corrector that I have and blend it out. It's all about creating a brown, bronzy look. I feel like this is one of those looks which will look really good on desi skin tones, brown skin tones. I'm taking some foundation and I just did my under eyes, and now I'm gonna just work through the areas that are a bit pigmented. I generally don't do a full coverage foundation look, so I'm gonna avoid it. But if you're someone who does that, I think this look will look better if you do a full coverage foundation. Do not forget to put foundation on your neck as well. Because the whole look is centered around brown makeup and bronziness, I'm gonna use a bronzer because I don't want to look too pale. I don't want to go overboard with the bronzer, but I'm just gonna add a bit of it under my cheekbone here and blend it out. Now that I've added bronzer to my face, I feel like the makeup looks a bit more warm, so that's what we're going for. Let's move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this palette from Swiss Beauty. It's the Ultimate 05 palette. I'm gonna link all the products that I use in the description box below. This is the most perfect palette to use for latte makeup look, especially for brown Indian skin. I own only one palette and this is the one because I love using nude and glittery colors. If you're a brown girl who's looking for a palette with similar color shade, this is the perfect for you. And it's also very compact and it fits right into my makeup bag, so I love it. I'm going to be trying the tape method to do this eyeshadow. I want a very sleek look to it. Oh god. I'm gonna start off with this brown color and build the base. Then I'm gonna go in with the shimmery brown color. Ooh. For eyeliner, I'm gonna do a very small winged eyeliner. mascara. Going in with a bit of highlighter on my cheekbones. And my nose. For my lips, I'm gonna do a brown nude lip. I'm using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Bobby Brown. Then I'm going to use the Lakme liquid lip color in the shade Nude Dream. I generally don't think any of these viral trends look good, especially on brown skin, but I'm loving this latte makeup look. It looks really good. I think this is one of those trends that's actually good for brown skin. I love a nude lip look with just brown tones, so this is perfect. Well, I hope you like this latte makeup look. It's definitely brown girl friendly, so go try it out and let me know if you like it or not.